So here we got a Samsung 43-inch TV. Has a problem. You can see it comes on and then it goes right back off again. I don't know if you noticed it or not, but towards the center of the screen, it's kind of dark, and that indicates that it's probably an LED strip that ain't working. So you can see that it's darker in the middle than the top and the bottom, but yeah, we'll have to check and see if it's just an LED strip, and that's why it keeps turning on and off. It's getting too hot, too much current or something like that to the circuit board, and it just shuts it down for safety's sake. So yeah, let's go ahead and dig into this and find out what it is. All right, I have the back tore off this TV, and as you can see, first things first, I already got the LED tester there, and we're going to test those LEDs. All right, let's check each row. There's 4 rows because there's eight wires here, positive and negative for each. The gray wire, the black with the gray, is the negative, of course. Let's just go down the line and we're going to see what we get. And of course, I cheated, so I already know. 18.5 about first row. 18.5 about. Our third row has nothing. I'm not getting any reading at all. And the fourth row is 18.4, close to 18.5. So it looks like we have a bad row of LEDs. Even though the screen looked like the LEDs were working, there's apparently a problem with one of the LED strips. So I checked those first, because what's the sense of wasting time on this if you have bad readings on your LEDs, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this screen out, get to the point to where we can see the LEDs, and we'll look at which row is bad on there. All right, here I got it stood up, all tore apart. Take another look at these LEDs. I'm going in the same order as I was before. This is the bottom. Them look good. Next row, those look good. Here's the bad row, which is our third row. That's this one right here. And this is the top one. So it looks like we have something wrong with this row right here. So we'll have to finish taking this paper off here. Our little things that hold the screen out. This one's melted. I wonder if it's supposed to be that way, or did it get a little hot? Who knows? But that's what we'll do next. Take this off and see if we can't get closer to that LED strip. All right, got the paper off, and I noticed something when I took it off. If we're looking at this strip right here, the connection between this one and this one is broke. How that happened, I have no idea. But the other ones look really nice. I'll give a close-up picture of that, of course. But that one's not good at all. It's unsnapped or something. I didn't look at that close, but I'm going to try to move it while I try to hold my probes on here, because this is still hooked up. Okay, so if I can do this without getting shocked or blowing something up. Okay, I got it in the connector. I'm just gonna move this. Oh, you see it flat? There it goes. Look at that. Is that all that's wrong? That was a boo-boo from the factory. So it's that connection right there. See, it's a bad connection. So we'll have to try to get that connected right, if we can, and go from there. All right, got it all back together. Here's what it looks like. This is the bad one. Look at that. Fixes the problem. Just a factory defect or something like that. But now they all work. So we are ready to throw this baby back together. All right, there we go. Look at that. Beautiful picture, sound. We got this one locked. That was a quick and easy fix. If this ever happens to you, now you know what to do. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and we will catch you in the next one.